everyone, if f of x equals square root of 9 minus x for all values of x, we're going to find f of 9 minus x. That's our first problem. Our second problem is if f of x minus 1 is 2x plus 3, remember is means equals, for all values of x, we're going to find f of negative 5. So for the first one, and this was actually a request made for me, so that's why I put this one on the video. So basically all you're going to do, we have f of x equals square root of 9 minus x. Now we need to find f of 9 minus x. So that just means everywhere there's an x, put parentheses, and we're going to input 9 minus x. So when you clean this up, f of 9 minus x equals a square root. Now this is where students make mistake. Make sure you distribute that negative. So that's going to be 9 minus 9 plus x. Because that's going to be like negative 1 times negative x. So that's going to zero out. So you get f of 9 minus x equals square root of x. That means when x is 9 minus x, then f of 9 minus x, equals square root of x. This is like your y. All right. And the second one, we have f of x minus 1 equals 2x plus 3. Now normally we see this as the x. So we want f of negative 5. That means we want this to equal negative 5 before I can do the problem. So what I'm going to do is set it equal to negative 5. If you add the 1 to both sides, you get x equals negative 4. So to get this negative 5, what we're going to do is everywhere there's an x, we're going to put negative 4. So f of negative 4 minus 1 equals 2 times your x plus 3. Be careful, you're not plugging in the negative 5. You're plugging in your x. So your x is negative 4. All right, and now let's look what this looks like. We're going to get f of negative 5 equals negative 8 plus 3, which equals negative 5. So just be careful when you have, when it starts out this way and you kind of have to work backwards. You're basically everywhere there's an x. To make this work, you're plugging in negative 4 to get the f of negative 5. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.